Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Ecobee sensor readings using Ecobee web portal, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Ecobee website. Log in to your Ecobee account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the home section on the dashboard. Select the thermostat you wish to verify. Click on the Sensors option in the menu. You will see a list of sensors connected to your thermostat. Identify the specific sensor you want to check. Next to the sensor name, you will see its current readings. Take note of the temperature and occupancy status displayed. If needed, check the historical data for the sensor. Click on the History tab to view past readings. Review any discrepancies in the data over time. If you find issues, make sure the sensor's placement is optimal. Ensure it is not obstructed or placed near heat sources. You can also check the firmware version of your sensor. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. If everything looks correct, you can monitor the sensor's performance. For additional troubleshooting, visit the Ecobee support section. This will provide further insights into possible issues. With these steps, you can effectively verify your Ecobee sensor readings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.